This is KDE Plasma 5.25, which brings in exuberance to the desktop environment. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral. Welcome back to the brand new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about KDE Plasma 5.25. Let's get started. As you can see, this is KDE Neon running the latest Plasma desktop. The default wallpaper you get to see in version 5.25 is very vibrant and looks fantastic on the large screen monitor. With Plasma 5.25, when you choose to pick or select a wallpaper, you can see the bold font on the selected wallpaper. The all-new colors have been taken to the next level in Plasma 5.25. This feature automatically syncs the accent color with your wallpaper. The dominant color of your background picture can be applied to all components that use the accent color. Also, you can use the tinting colors option, which adapts the color of elements of every window to the background. To enable automatic accent colors, open System Settings and then click on the Appearance tab. Now choose Colors and click on the Edit icon of any color scheme preview, and a configuration dialog will open. In the Options tab, take the Tint All Colors and adjust the strength to the desired value. Now click Save As and give your color scheme a new name. Then go ahead, close this dialog. Now select your newly created color scheme and click Apply. And that's it. Now you can see the colors picked from the wallpaper apply to the components of UI elements. Panels are one of the crucial elements of the Plasma desktop. It lets you customize it the way you need. It's the core element that holds the widgets like Application Launcher, System Controls, Workspace Switcher, App Shortcuts, and more. With KDE Plasma 5.25, we now get a floating panel. To enable floating panel mode, right-click on the panel, then choose Edit Mode. Now select More Options and enable the floating panel. As soon as you enable it, the padding is added to the corners of the panel. You can also choose whether a floating panel is transparent or opaque. Now you can see the bottom panel looks fantastic. It maintains padding at the corners. Floating panels also animate back to a regular panel whenever you maximize an application window. This animation is smooth and retains the placing of panel items. With KDE Plasma 5.25, the all-new overview effect is enabled by default. You can trigger the workspace overview using the keyboard shortcut Super plus W. This shows all of your open windows and virtual desktops. The overview effect is an alternative to the desktop grid, which is simple and easy to use. At the top, you get to see an integrated KRunner. Using that, you can search for applications, documents, and browser tabs. You can also add, remove, and rename virtual desktops very easily. Plasma 5.25 includes a 1:1 touchpad and touchscreen gestures. This means whenever you use a touchpad gesture to enter the new overview with a 4-finger pinch, the overview animation moves as fast or as slow as your fingers do. In simple words, all animations triggered by touchpad gestures move in time with your fingers. So swiping up with 4 fingers brings up the desktop grid. Also swiping left or right using a 3 fingers on your trackpad switch between virtual desktops. These 1:1 gestures also work for touchscreens, meaning you can swipe from the screen edge to get at the overview and have the effect move as fast or as slow as your finger. Overall, I would say in one word, KDE Plasma 5.25 is superb. Plasma Desktop is getting better every day on dominating other desktop environments, providing a cutting-edge benefits and features. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in my next one.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what